white socks. The United States wearing the blue with the white sleeves, shorts and socks. All U.S. attack. De La Torre. Zendejas. Wide now to Pulisic. Christian in between as the U.S. gets a steal. Zendejas' ball out wide to Pulisic. Pulisic with a right-footed shot. 40 yards out is the United States. And he'll curl it towards the near post and just wide. And now Pulisic, who just hit the shot, will look to send this one in. It's skyward towards past the penalty spot. Turn. He'll look in. Pulisic out to right, back to Pulisic. Tries to find right, it will skip over it. Pulisic and Olasunde. Where then England will face the United States at 5 o'clock in game 4. And then they'll attack the defense. Play it short to Pulisic, who will go in towards the penalty area, and that one's deflected away. Good work by the U.S. on the backside, and they'll all be busy. Lots of soccer. Ball before it goes out of bounds. And Pulisic has it, and the U.S. will maintain possession. But he's able to turn, get it into Pulisic. And now into right. Right. This one into Pulisic. Back, I think it was 15, I think.
Goal scored for Portugal in the 90th.
Looking to put this into the penalty area. Back on the back post. A little bit disappointing on the end of the way it happened, but Portugal very happy to come away with that victory.